Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. This is Muhammad Kamal, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Scholars School and College, Dhanmondi, Dhaka. My dear students, most welcome to all of you. Insha-Allah, today we are going to discuss creative question from data and information, which is chapter 8. In the last few classes, we have discussed some creative questions from geometry part, which is related to the theorems 6.1 and 6.2. Then we have completed exercise 7, which is related with the construction. Now from today we will practice creative question from statistical data and information. So my dear students, most welcome to all of you. And first let me know top line of the board, right side, left side, light and sound quality. Is everything okay? Can we start our class formally? My dear student, in the comment section you can give your attendance and you can tag your friend's name to connect with our live class. Inshallah, within a short time we are going to start our class formally. So today's class is very important. We are going to discuss creative questions which is almost connected with your upcoming exam. So I want maximum attendance will be here. So my dear students, already we see here 45 students are connected with us. Now let me know, is everything okay? Can we start our class formally? My dear students, okay, today our content is chapter 8, data and information. Data and information. Already we have discussed here in this topic. So we all know what is data and what is information. What is the difference in between data and information? In our previous classes we have discussed the data and information, the difference between them. So in terms of creative question I will discuss again here data and information. So today, and then after completing the basic difference of data and information, we have discussed here there are two types of data, the primary data and the secondary data. The primary data which is collected directly and from the organization, this is called the primary data. The data which collect from the third party is called the secondary data. Then we discuss here primary data is more accurate than the secondary data or information. Then we have solved here arithmetic mean. Arithmetic means one kind of average. Then after completing arithmetic mean we have done median and mode. Mode is the maximum number. Mode is the number which is repeated maximum times. And the median, in terms of median, we have arranged the data in ascending order. Then the middle one will be the median. In times of odd and in times of even, the sum of the two middle, average of the two middle term will be the median. Then after completing arithmetic, mean, median, mode, then we have done few maths by using line diagram. And today now we are going to discuss here creative question. So my dear students, the first creative question we are going to discuss here, too much easy question. The question here, CQ. The first question from arithmetic part. The number 1, the run of first 10 over, the run of first 10 over of A. I think of a T20 match, of a T20 match of Bangladesh cricket team. Bangladesh cricket team is given below. Bangladesh cricket team are presented. What are given below? So this information is given here, and now এক, দুই, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this information given here, the first over this information runs. This is the first over, this is the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The first overrun is 7, second overrun is 10, third overrun is X, fourth overrun is 4, and fifth overrun is 12, sixth overrun is 6, and the seventh overrun is 5, and eighth overrun is 0, ninth overrun is 4, and 10th overrun is 8. This another information, average run rate of first 10 over is 6. Then the first question define data and information. The first one, define data and information. Number B, find the value of X. Find the value of X and the mode of the data and the mode of the data. And the question number C, next one, draw the line diagram. Draw the line diagram of first 10 over run. So I think this is your question, my dear students. The run of the first 10 overs of a T20 cricket match of Bangladesh cricket team are given below, are given in the table. First overrun, second overrun, third overrun, but third overrun, see here the variable X, 4, 5, 6 up to 10 overrun given. The average run rate first 10 over is 6. I think this is your question. So in the comment section you can give your opinion how many students can do this question properly. And the question number A, the define data and information. Question number B. So already we have done what is data and what is information. Smallest unit of the information is called the data. So in the comment section Answer A. See in the comment section. আমি এখন তোমাদের আনসারটা এখানে দিচ্ছি, সবাই একটু কমেন্ট সেকশন আনসারটা দেখে নাও। Answer B. This is more technical question here. Answer B. Find the value of x. In the third over, we see here the unknown quantity x. But this information is given here. The first 10 over average run. So average run is one kind of arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is basically the average. So average run of the first 10 over question number B, first part. There are two parts here. The first one, the value of x. Second one, find the mode of the data. So first part here. From the table we can see here, from the given table we see or from the table we get average run rate of first 10 over is the first 10 over indicate you divided by the 10. The 7 plus x, 7 plus the first over run is 7, second over run is 10, third over run is x, fourth over run is 4, then 12, then 6 plus 5 plus 0 plus 4 plus 8. So average run is 10, 7 plus 10, 17, 17 plus 4 plus 12 plus 6 plus 5 plus 0 plus 4 plus 8. So do simple calculation, you get a 56, then plus x. Again average run rate, again given here, average rate is 6. From the table we see here average run 56 plus 6 divided by 10. But in our system we see here average run rate of the 6. So both are average. So from the question we can write here 56 plus x divided by 10 equals 6. This one is also average. This one is also average. This average given in the question. But from the table we see here average means arithmetic mean, which is the sum of all data divided by number of data. So there are 10 over runs, that is divided by 10, and the first over, second over up to 10 over runs. Now do cross multiplication here. If we do cross multiplication here, this one will be 56 plus x, then 10 multiplied with this 6, you will get here 60. Then now or do the simple calculation, x equal 60 minus 56. Now do simple calculation here, x equal 4, and this is our answer. And find the value of x. So value of x is 4, and this is our answer. I think my dear student, this is clear to you. And if you have any more question, please let me know. I will review your comment section. So I think this is okay to you. Which one is the mode? So I think you all know which is the definition of the mode, but how to find the mode. Mode is the data which is repeated or which appear maximum time. So we see the first overrun is 7 and the second overrun is 10, third overrun value of x which is 4, and then the fifth overrun. Okay, now we will discuss here the second part of the question number A. Sorry, question number B, second part here. Second part. First 10 over run as follows. The first overrun is 7, 10, then value of x is 4, fourth overrun is 4, fifth overrun is 12, then sixth overrun is 6, and seventh overrun is 5, eighth overrun is 0, ninth overrun is 4, and 10th overrun is 8. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10. So give attention which data is repeated maximum times. Here we see 0 appear 1 times and 7 appear also 1 times. Only the 4 which repeated 3 times. Here 4 repeated 3 times, which is maximum. So mode of the data is 4. Answer 4. We see here the 4 repeated the maximum time, that is the 4 is the mode. I think this is okay to you. My dear students, I think if you have no more question, we are going to discuss here question number C. So in the comment section you can give your opinion. Question number A and question number B, everything and every step is clear to you or not. Question number C, draw a line diagram of the first and over. So line diagram, before doing the line diagram, you have to know about the axis system. Line diagram, okay. And this is called the 0 or origin. This the right side indicate here capital X, and this is Y, and this is called over, and this is runs. And first over, second over, third over, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10. First overrun, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, finally 10th overrun, and this is X. So what we see here, the maximum run is the 5 over is 12. So this line up to 12. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we can write here runs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this y-axis for runs. Now, first overrun is 7. We see here the first overrun is 7. So first overrun, this one up to 7. Just see here the first overrun up to 7. This one, the first over up to 7. Then second over up to 10. The second over, this is the here second over, and this one is up to 10. The second over, like see here, this is up to 10, second over. So this point, according to x-axis and y-axis here, then third overrun, value of x is 4. Then third overrun, value of x is 4. So what we see here, third overrun up to 4. So here up to 4, and then the third overrun up to 4. Then fourth overrun is also 4. Then similarly fourth overrun is up to 4. Almost the same, third over and fourth over up to 4. Then fifth overrun is 12. The maximum fifth overrun is up to 12. The fifth over up to 12, which is the maximum up to 12. So according to y-axis and x-axis, the fifth overrun, if you consider like this, up to 12 here, and this is the fifth over up to 12. Then sixth overrun is 6. Similarly now 6 over up to 6. Then 6 overrun is the 4, 5 and the 6. This is the 6 overrun is 6 here. And then 7 overrun is 5. 7 overrun is 5. So 5 just inside the 4 and 6 up to 5. This is like this, up to 5, up to 5, up to 6. This is the 7, this is the 4. Now 8 overrun is 0. 8 overrun is 0, no upper side. Again 9 overrun is 4. So 9 overrun again up to 4. This is the, so just consider here up to 4. 9 overrun is 4. Then 10 overrun. 10 overrun is 8. Finally 10 overrun will be up to 8. Up to 8 is as like as the second overrun. This is the 10 here, give attention, 10. Then if you see here 10 over and up to here along the x-axis and along the y-axis, 10 overrun will be here. This is the all point, first over, second, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, 8 over 0, 9 and 10. So this is the separate point. Now draw a line diagram by using all of the chart layer. Okay, dear students, now we will draw here line. First over to second over, first over to second over, second over to third over, second over to third over, and third over to fourth over, third to fourth, and fourth to fifth over, and fourth to fifth over, which is the maximum, fourth to fifth over, and fifth to sixth overrun, and fifth to sixth overrun, then 6 to 7, then 6 and 7, this one is 6 and 7, then 7 to 8, 8 overrun is 0, so this will be the lower portion. 7 to 8 our run, then 8 to 9, 8 to 9, then 9 to 10. The finally, this is the line diagram. This is called line diagram. Line. It's look like a line, the curve. So curved line, this is the line diagram of the first 10 over run. This is x-axis over x-axis, run in the y-axis. So my dear student, this is the line diagram. Now you have to explain the bar diagram figure, line diagram of first 10 over run. The diagram of first 10 over run. So my dear students, I hope this is okay to you, and if you have any more questions, please let me know. Now we have to explain the figure. In the x-axis, just we have placed here the over, in the y-axis placing the run here successively, then we have drawn the line diagram. So my dear students, in the comment section you can give your opinion, this figure is clear to you or not. We are going to discuss here how to explain the figure. To mutually perpendicular indicate two mutually perpendicular lines indicate x-axis and y-axis, and this is the chord x-axis and this is y-axis. Placing or putting putting 10 overs in or placing in x-axis in along x-axis and runs along y-axis. We have drawn a line diagram which is shown in the figure. So dear students, two mutually perpendicular line indicates here x-axis and y-axis. The putting all up to 10 overs along the x-axis and the runs against them in the y-axis, we have done here a line diagram which is shown in the figure. So আমরা শর্ট ফর্মে যদি আমরা লিখি আমরা এইভাবে রিপ্রেজেন্ট করতে পারবো। তোমাদের আর কারো কোনো কোশ্চেন থাকলে তোমরা কমেন্ট সেকশনে জানাতে পারো, আমরা পরে কোশ্চেনটি একটু ডিসকাস করব। Number 2, this is your homework. is the question is write down the difference of data and information. And then the second question, find the value of x and mode of the data. Find the value of x and mode of the data. And draw the line diagram of the first 10 hour runs. So my dear students, this is your question. I think this is clear. The question number 2, the run of the first 10 hours. This is the 5, 7, x, 4, 5, 6, 5, 5, 8, 10. Average is also same. The first question here, write down the difference. So you can give here 2 marks. The question number is, so at least you have to give here 4 difference. In the difference between data and information. Write down the difference of data and information. Find the value of x and the mode of the data. And then draw the line diagram of the first 10 hour run. So this is your homework, my dear students. Inshallah, tomorrow we will discuss 2 more creative questions. And thank you very much. Hopefully see again with you in the next classes at 4 p.m. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Don't forget to subscribe Triangular Kamal.